We were talking about the reactions, how the positive and negative combine to form a salt. Yes, hope everybody remembers. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. And we were talking about the weak acid, weak base, neutral salt, and water. Always we get water as a result of adding acids and base. And we also saw when I add a strong acid with a weak base, I get strong acidic acidic salt. So why it's acidic? Because the acidity is higher.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I came now only, ma'am. Can you tell what you were telling?
Yeah, Dharmender, you're new to the class.
What, ma'am?
You're new to the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please introduce yourself. I won't say again and again. Everybody open the camera. Yeah, Dharmender Singh, you also. Please introduce yourself to the team, to your class members.
Ma'am, I have a issue, ma'am. I can't open my camera.
Okay, fine. You just introduce yourself. It's fine.
My name is Bhumi and I'm studying in grade 7 in Rainbow International School.
Mhm. What is your motive of joining here?
I'm to study medicine.
To study. You're already studying the same thing in school, so why again in Chanakya? Yeah, Bhumi.
Uh,
So today is your first class?
yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Like today in my science class in the school, like they were teaching us like a science ma'am taught us like how to find the like some she gave some negative and positive ions, and she told like how to find the valencies using the atomic number. So like can you explain me?
Valencies of, okay, we have to, yeah, we will go to the valency part. That is actually, advanced part. I don't think so. She's in the beginning, no? I mean, the half of the lesson maybe.
No, ma'am, she's in the starting only.
Starting only, they started with the valencies.
Yeah.
So if you want to know about the valency, you have to know about the atomic structures of the, different kind of compounds, molecules, and then you have to, you know how to find the valency.
Like
Then it's a big task, right?
she didn't even explain anything, ma'am. She like she introduced the chapter like what you are going to learn. Then
Okay.
she explained what is an acid. Then she explained
Okay.
what's an atom. After
Okay.
that, she directly gave us the periodic table and she told remember all of these acids and base. And after remembering, we'll have a test. And then after the test, we'll have the valencies. Even I score less in the test.
Yeah, that is actually stupidity, no? You should not teach
We didn't
valencies
even
like
start
that.
that lesson.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't even start that lesson.
Yeah, in different school they start with the different topics. Fine, we'll go to the valency part if you're so worried. No, not an issue. Yes, Bhumi. So as this is your first class, so we were talking about acids, bases, and salts. Okay, I strongly recommend you to go and watch the recording. Then you will get an idea what's an acid, what's a base, and what's a salt. Because, I'll just tell you what is an acid. What can I? Based on what property I can say something as an acid? If something is having, if something is an acid, so you can find the H plus ions or more in that. That what is H? Hydrogen. Hydrogen ions or more. Just remember like that. Just see the example acids here. You have the HCl, H plus ions here. In the weak acid, you have CH3COOH. Again, a H plus ion is here, right? Hydrogen ion is there.
Is the
And then,
quiz completed?
no, we have not even started. We'll start.
Ma'am, I have to note this down, ma'am.
Yeah, you can note it down. I'll upload the PPT in WhatsApp and you have the recordings in YouTube available. Please go and watch.
Okay.
Fine. So as we were discussing, we were talking about the reactions. So these reactions, how the strong acid react with the strong base to form the neutral salt. Yes, we were discussing about all these. And then we discussed about litmus paper. So what is a, I'll just give a like the thing. What is a litmus paper? So litmus paper is used to find the acidic level or the basic level of
The
any
pH level.
pH level. Yeah, simply the pH level or acidic level or basic level of any solution.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Is my voice breaking?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then some problem from your side, Charvik. And then we were talking about the reactions, how they happen. We were talking about these two reactions that are very complex. I hope you people didn't forget how we balanced this reaction, how we made this reaction. And Bhumi, don't get panic. You can watch everything on the recording. It's all very easy. Okay.
Okay.
And then we were talking about litmus paper, and then we were talking about the reactions. These problems we were talking, and they are quite easy. And then we spoke about how metals react with acids, how they react with metals react with acids, and they form hydrogen, dihydrogen, and we also saw few of the equation, how they form the dihydrogen. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then we saw mole. So mole is not a big thing. Mole is a fundamental unit in chemistry that measures the amount of substance. It is one of the 7 base SI units, and it is denoted by the symbol mole. And we saw 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. This is simply called as Avogadro number. So, and then we saw the examples of that. So water. So if you have water molecule, so one water molecule is actually H2O. This is the one H2O is a one water molecule, and the molar mass of the water is 18 grams per mole. 18 grams per mole. Okay, I have a small doubt here. I am asking you. So if I want to find the mass of one molecule of H2O, how can I find that?
Ma'am, by doing the 18 grams like that. We have to
18.
multiply it by 18.
So one molecule of water is H2O. I know that any substance, 1 mole of any substance contains this many particles, and the molar mass of the water is 18 grams per mole. In 1 mole, you have 18 grams. 1 mole in 1 Avogadro number of 6.022, you have 18 grams. Something that meaning will come like that. So simply, if I want to find the mass of one molecule, I can do 18 by 6.023. Can I do like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple max only. No need to get confused. So if it is very confusing, leave this for now. We'll come to this again. Yes. Same way for carbon. 12 grams per mole. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And then we were talking about, so we know how to find, so Bhumi, we saw like how to find, what is the method to find the acidic level or basic level of any solution, right? How we can find?
I don't know.
With the help of litmus paper, we saw here, right? With the help of litmus paper, we can find whether the solution is acidic or not. So basically, if it's an acidic solution, the blue litmus will turn into red. If it's a basic solution, red litmus will turn
Ma'am,
into
can I
blue.
take screenshot of this?
Mm-hmm.
Can I take screenshot of this?
You can take.
And
I
we
will
can do
upload.
it with turmeric paste also. ma'am.
Yeah, that is also one of the
Natural indicator.
indicator. So we have different kind of indicators to indicate the presence of acids or base. So that litmus paper is one of the tool. We have that, we will come to that indicator. So we have the China rose and we have some other indicators. We have the turmeric is also an indicator. We come to that later. Before that, so we have the pH paper. We have the pH paper, and I want to find out the pH level of any exact pH level of any solution. Mathematically, how can I find? Without, if I'm not given any litmus paper or any indicators, how can I find mathematically? So you have formula for that. So that day, I don't know you people remember or not. So this is a problem. A solution has, please listen very carefully,
Can
everybody.
you send this PPT in the WhatsApp? I still cannot see.
No, I will send. I have not sent it. I will send now, today after this class. Okay.
Okay.
The question is, I don't know. We started this question that day. A solution has a hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion means H plus ion. Concentration of the H plus ion is 1 into 10 power minus 3.
Ma'am, is it a positively charged or negatively charged ion?
H plus hydrogen ion. Simply, that's all.
Right.
It's positive or negative. We don't care about that for now. Whatever it is, it's H plus. Obviously, it will be positively charged because it is hydrogen, no? If it is OH, then you can say OH minus. So that is why I told that day. So there is a hint in the question itself that they themselves has given the hydrogen ion concentration is there. So definitely this is going to be an acidic solution because the question is calculate the pH of the solution. Based on the pH, we can say whether it is acid or base. How can we say based on the pH level?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
See, okay, I'll go slow. See here, we have the pH paper. We know, Bhumi, I'm telling you, we have a pH paper. If it is the pH paper ranges from 1 to 14. We have values from 1 to 14. Okay. So if I'm getting a pH of any solution 1 to 6, 1 to any number to 6, I can say they are acidic. Yeah. Charvik, are you getting?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is exceeding, if it is 7, I can say they are neutral. Okay.
More than 7
Okay.
Basic. More than 7 means basic.
basis.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it is 8 to 14, it is basic. So this is the rule. This is the rule of the pH. So now,
What about below?
what below? I can't get you.
Below 7.
Below 7 or acidic.
Okay.
1 to 6. 1 to 6. If you get any number from 1 to 6, it is acidic. If you're getting exactly 7, it is neutral. If you're getting somewhere around 8 to 14, it is basic. Yes. So this one these are the rules. This one you should remember. Now, coming to the question. What is the question is given? So if I am giving you a litmus paper, it is very easy to find because litmus paper will have the numbers based on the color. You can easily find the number of that, exactly how much pH level is there. But if I'm giving a problem, for example, I'm giving you a problem like this, a solution has I know there is a solution. I don't know whether the solution is acidic or basic. I don't know now. Just it's a solution. Has an hydrogen ion concentration. So it is having hydrogen ion concentration. So they are telling it is having H plus. Hydrogen ion means H plus. Concentration is there. That is 1 into 10 power minus 3 moles. Okay. So now I have to calculate the pH level of the solution. So by calculating the pH level, what I can conclude whether the solution is acidic or basic. Yes. Bhumi, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the motive of finding the pH first of all? To find whether the solution is acid or base or neutral, right?
Ma'am,
That is
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, always we have the pH paper, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
When it is like acid, then it goes till 1 to 6,
Yeah.
or else it will stay like 2 or like that.
Yeah, if it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in any of these number, you can say them as an acidic. So now you can ask me what is the difference between if it is showing 1 or if it is showing 6. Both are acid. So why there is a difference? You can ask me. So if the
Yes.
acid is so reactive, like hydrochloric acid, have you ever heard about hydrochloric acid?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So reactive to the cold. It's very highly reactive. So if in this kind of acid, very highly reactive in nature, it will be 2 or 1. The value may be 2 or 1 because they're very, very highly reactive in nature.
And they can also cause a hole in our hand.
Hole in our hand. Yeah, it can even cause a hole in your hand. That much reactive acids. Do you know there is an acid present in our apple? Do you know the acid present in the apple is there? And you know there is an acid present in your citrus fruit.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that acid?
Oranges, lemon, citrus.
Citric acid, right? And in apple you have malic acid. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm telling you, hydrochloric acid is very reactive, but malic acid is not reactive. You are eating the apple, nothing is happening to you. It's not at all reactive. How?
Because
But both are acids.
does not have
Because hydrochloric acid contains more hydrogen.
You can say that way. They are so reactive, highly reactive. But whereas malic acid or citric acid is not reactive, they are very less reactive. So their pH can range from 4, 5, or 6. Now got it?
yes, ma'am. Base is also like that only, ma'am.
Base is also same mechanism for basic also. So when the number decreases, the reactivity increases. For example, hydrochloric acid will have the number 1 or 2, whereas malic acid or you have something called acetic acid, that is a weak acid, acetic acid. Simply called as in local language, it's called as vinegar. Your vinegar is actually a kind of acid. It's called as acetic acid in chemical formula. So acetic acid is a very weak acid, very, very weak acid. So that can have the pH value of 6, maybe 5 or 6.
Oh.
Yes.
Understood.
Okay. Now coming back to the question. So solution has a hydrogen ion concentration of 1 into this much. And now we have to calculate the pH of this. So I don't know whether this, just by knowing the value of this 1 into 10 power minus 3, I don't know whether this is acid or base. I need something in like ranging from 1 to 14. Then only I can find, right, whether they are acidic or basic.
But 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 will be, I think it will be like minus 1000 moles.
Kind of. Yeah, you can say like that. But the thing is, like, can I say, just by seeing this, can I say that this is an acid or base? I cannot say. Because I need the whole number, 1 to 14. I need whole number value to say the acid or base, right?
And I think I'll just guess like minus 1000, like it comes below 1. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it will be acidic only.
It will be acidic. Like that, you can make a random guess. Just as I told you that day, solution is having hydrogen ion concentration. So if a solution is having hydrogen ion concentration, means itself it is acidic actually,
That's what.
right? But the now the it's not just guessing acid or base, it is calculating the exact value of pH. That is a work here, right?
And something will use the formula like log something.
Yeah, we have the formula. So that is where the solution comes here. So to find the exact value of any solution, pH solution, we have the pH formula. pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration. Yes, this is the formula, minus logarithmic of H plus ion concentration. So the hydrogen ion concentration is given in the question. So I'm just substituting the value, minus log into 1 into 10 power minus 3. Just substituting in the place of H plus, I am substituting the given value. So you people know how from here to here it came?
Ma'am, M is mole.
Yeah, M means moles. It's a unit, just a unit, no need to confuse. So you people know how it came from here to here? Do you guys know logarithmics?
No, ma'am.
Don't know? Okay, fine.
I'm sorry, I didn't got the question.
No, the question is we have to find the pH. The formula is pH is equal to minus
No, I
log
didn't
of
get it.
H.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, I'll repeat. See, the
Like,
question is, yeah.
what question did you ask? That I got confused.
Okay, the question I asked is, so this step is here, right? So till now it's just substitution. We are just substituting this in the formula. We have this, we are substituting in this formula. H plus, concentration of H plus means that is given here. Hydrogen concentration is given in the question. I am
Okay.
substituting this value. So now I am asking from here to here how it came. Do you people know that? Do you people know how to deal with logarithmics?
No,
Don't know.
no.
How did it become minus 3?
Yeah, that is what I am asking. Do you people learned, have you learned logarithmics in maths? Does it come in your portion?
No, ma'am.
No,
Like
ma'am. In seventh
I
it
just
won't come.
I'll just guess because of seeing the formula. I just guess. Like I'll just guess the value of log because like yeah, I'll just guess the value
Ma'am,
of
you should try
it will
exponent.
be 10.
No, yeah. So basically, I'll just tell it's very simple. No need to go very deep logarithmics. So it is basically minus. So this is a formula minus log of H plus ion. So minus log of this log of 1 into 10 power minus 3. I can multiply this log to those two. Those people are inside. I can multiply them. So if I'm as per the logarithmic rule, for example, if it is like 5 into 2 into 3, I can do two ways. 5 into, it's actually into here, right? If it is bracket. 2 3s are 6. So 5 6 are 30. Or else 5 2s are 10. Plus 5 3s are 15. It won't come like that. But in logarithmic, it works. So it is minus log 1. And then
Mama, I
log
don't,
I.
I don't understand.
No, I'm just teaching you. This is the way it works. You have to know this. Got it?
Okay.
Just I'm teaching you. You keep the minus 1, or else if this minus is confusing, you keep it as outside. Like log of 1 into 10 power minus 3. Just multiplying the log inside, that's all. So if it is log 1 plus, it becomes plus. If I am multiplying, it becomes plus. Log of 10 power minus 3. Now, did you get just this step? Multiplying the log into inside. Yeah. So basically the formula is log A plus log B. I can write like log of A into B. This is a formula actually. As per this formula, I am writing this into this. Yeah.
Like as of my knowledge, like logs can be a very like so much types, like log 1, log 2, and all.
Yeah, we have various values for log. You can use calculator or you can use log tables for that. But for this particular sum, you don't want anything. I'll tell you simple steps. Do you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a formula, children. This is a formula. If I'm telling you a plus b the whole square formula, say square plus b square plus 2ab, you are like that. It's a formula. Log a plus log b. I can write the log a plus log b as log a or log of a into b. I can write vice versa also.
Ma'am, I still don't understand log.
You don't want to understand log or you don't want to understand anything. I'm just telling you there is a rule in log. Okay, I'm not going, as you people don't know log, I am not going deep into log. Just you have to solve this problem with the help of log. For that you need to understand this only one formula. I am just telling you to remember this formula, that's all. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
there is a formula, don't have to panic. Just see, I'll erase everything.
Like log equals to log into a
Log a
Like, how do
plus
you
log
get
b.
the log value?
log b
Yeah, we'll come to that, don't worry.
log into a plus b.
Yeah, if there is a log a and there is a log b, I can write them as log of a into b. I can multiply them and write like this. And vice versa. If there
Ma'am,
is a log of a and b, yeah,
we can see for better understanding if we remove log and if we add any number. For suppose we add 1, so we can commonly known as distributive property of mathematics.
you can take like that. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's same, right? Like in distributive we use like a multiplied by b plus c will be a into b plus b in
That's why,
commonly
yeah,
like that. So
I
we
was
can
trying
do
to say
like
that.
that
Yeah,
also.
you can take
Like
like
log
that.
a plus log b will like log into a plus b will be, or log into a into b will be log a plus log b, like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, actually. Yes, now got it? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
With this formula, I can write this as you just keep the minus outside. Don't bother about minus. For now, this minus, let the minus be outside only. No need to bother about that. Now, log of 1, I can write like this, log of 1 plus log of 10 power minus 3. Yeah? Can I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Log 1 is 0. The value of log 1 is 0. You have to remember that. Value of log 1 is 0. Now, so whenever, now again, one more important point I'm trying to say, please listen carefully. So whenever there is a log is there, something is there, and power to that something is there, whenever something is like this, I can take this power number as a coefficient of log. It is a rule in log. Whenever there is a log and there is a number and the power of the number, something is there to the power of that, I can take this power and multiply in the front as a coefficient. So I can basically write like this, minus 3 into log 10. Yes, I can write like this. This is the rule of a log. Yeah, got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just you can write like that. Because as you don't know what is logarithmics, that is a full different world of maths. You have to learn the log, what is log, everything. And then you will understand these properties, why it came, how it came and all. But I don't want to go very deep to that because we're learning chemistry, we're not learning maths. I just want you to learn the main thing, how to solve these kind of problems. When I ask in chemistry, you need to know these things, that's all. So I'll tell you again, whenever there is a log, a number and power of that number, I can take this power of the number and put as a coefficient of this log. That is basically minus 3 log 10. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everybody got Gilda.
Just to make sure, can I just send like this formula in WhatsApp?
You have to note, you don't note down the formula. It's easy only. I have so many, like I have given 5 more problems. You can try in home also. Okay? See here, it's easy only. Then first you're applying the log A and log B formula and you're rewriting it as like log of 1 plus log of 10 power minus 3. And then this minus will be outside. Don't worry about that minus. Now log 1 is equal to 0. I told you. So 0 plus this actually this is not plus. This will be minus because this minus 3 will come now. As per this, whatever I said, you log rule, this will be like minus 3 of log 10. Yes? Got it? Everybody
Yes,
got
ma'am.
how this came?
Yes,
Now it is basically like this, 0 minus 3 of log 10. Yeah? Now got it? Got it?
Mom, can you tell again?
No, Shritesh, did you understand like from how this step to this step it came?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Log 1 value is 0. Okay. And then as per the log rule, if log to the 10 or not only 10, any number to the power of any number, I can write this number with the symbol. If it is minus, with the minus only you have to write as a coefficient. With the minus, I can write this coefficient like that so that it becomes minus 3 log 10. I can write like that in the logarithmics.
Mom,
Yeah?
but like, how did you get like log 1 equals to 0? Is that a rule or?
No. Value of log. You can take your calculator and calculate the value of logs of any number. Log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4.
What will be log 2 or log 3? Like from you start from 0 point.
Yeah, if I, for example, log 2 value is 0.30.
Yes,
Log
ma'am.
1 value is 0 and log 3 value is 0.47. Log 5 value, like log 4 value 0.60. Like that it increases. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
You don't want to worry about that. You have the calculator. If you have calculator, you can easily calculate the log value of that scientific calculator if you have.
I have a doubt.
Yeah?
Ma'am, minus 0 minus 3 log 10 means after that what is the step?
After that step, I'm coming to say. Till now, is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, value of log 10 is 1. There is a logic here. Value of log 0 is what? 0. And 1 is increasing somewhat. Sorry, value of log 1 is 0. Value of log 2 is 0 point something, some 4. Value of log 3 is 0 point something, 5. Keeps on increasing. The value of log 10 will obviously be 1. because starting from 0, it increases 0.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in one stage it comes to be 1, log 10. Yeah? Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that log value is increasing? Log 1 is 0, whereas log 2 is 0.4, somewhat more than 0. Log 3 is 0.5, somewhat more than 5. Don't ask me how it is, ma'am. That is the log values of the numbers. Log 1 value we have, log 2 value we have. That is a log table, or with the help of calculator you can find out. Now the log values keep on increasing. If the log 1 is 0, log 10 will be 1, because from 0 to 1, inside it is like in between it is actually increasing. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
So basically remember, log 1 is 0 and log 10 is 1. Log 10 is 1. That's all. Remember these two. These two are important. Log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And log 20 is like 2.
Yeah, that is a good question actually. Log 20 will be not 2 exactly. It will be around like 1.5 or 1.3, I think. So 1.34, it will come around like that. You cannot say like that. That is what I'm telling you. If it is log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1, means log 20 will not be 2. You cannot calculate like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just trying to convince you, logically. The log is always keep on increasing. So log 20 value will also be, I can say this thing, log 20 value will be surely more than 1. I can say like that. Understanding now?
Ma'am, who created logarithm?
Created logarithm. Mathematicians created logarithms.
Ma'am, like which mathematician?
Like, you want the exact mathematician name?
Ma'am, I don't know. Yeah, I think yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I don't think so. He's an Indian mathematician, obviously. There's some foreign mathematician, I think so. Maybe I think so, some other
I
country,
think it
not
is,
India.
according to Google, it is Scottish mathematician physicist John
Ah,
Napier.
John Napier. See, he's not Indian, right? He's some other country only.
Ma'am, Scottish mathematician.
Yeah, it's a Scottish mathematician.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what does log 20 mean?
Log 20, maybe it will be,
So,
I can say log 20 will be surely more than 1. As log value is increasing from 0. So if log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1, I can say log 20 will be surely more than 1. It will be around, I think, 1.5 or like 1.4 or 1.3.
it is
Around
1.301.
yeah, around these three values. Yeah, 1.30. So surely I can say it will increase. So log 30 will surely be more than 1.3 now. I can say like that. Why? Yeah, correct. Can I say like that? It will be surely more than 1.3 log 30. Yes?
Actually, it is 1.47.
Yeah, 1.47. See, it is more than 3. 1.3, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now you don't have to think much about this log. Just remember these two. Log 1 is 0, log 10 is 1. So as per the log 10 is 1, so this is the step we are in. So 0, already 1 minus is outside. Remember, this minus is outside, we didn't consider. Minus 3 of log 10 is 1. So 3 into 1. I hope now it will be understanding for you. So minus 3. So minus of minus will be plus 3, as you got plus 3 here. Yeah? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. You want to have the quiz now?
Yes, ma'am.
Already time up 7:25.
We'll
Ma'am.
do more 10 questions. Only 10 are left.
Ma'am, I have a class, ma'am, at 7:30.
Okay, we'll do one thing. You do these problems. Tomorrow we'll have the quiz.
Only 5 minutes will do at least 5 questions. No.
Okay, then start. I'll stop the share.
Ma'am, allow me to share.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Where is the new one? New one?
ma'am,
Like,
can you see?
yeah, Dharmender Singh, I forgot your name.
Ma'am, it's Bhumi.
Bhumi. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, they were done till I think question 4. Like what is the correct?
No, we are done question 5. We need to do question 6.
Okay. Okay. So the question 6 is this. Charvik. Charvik.
Yeah, make it fast.
Okay, I'm only asking. Dash water pressure is needed to push 1 amp of current through 1 ohm resistor.
Okay, team B. Volt voltage is equals to IR, ampere. I mean current into resistance. So there's just 1 amp and 1 ohm. So maybe
Maybe
what
it's 1.
what did you get?
No, like because there's only like 1, so maybe it's like 1 volt of pressure. I
Yeah.
don't know, I think.
Adris, what did you get?
I think so. It's none of these.
Even I think it's none of these, right? Because in voltage is equals to IR, I into sorry, 1 into 1. So I'll say, what about Hamza? What did you get?
I would say 3.
How do we get 3, bro? If we get 3, the like voltage is equals to I into R. So we are going with none of these.
Is it your
Are
final
you
answer?
finalists?
Yeah, finalize.
None of these. So your answer is right. Okay, next
Yeah, so
question.
plan for
Yes, ma'am. Straight true or
State
false? Ohm's law is
Ohm's law is
universal.
universal.
Yeah, sorry.
Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, depends. Option D, none of these.
What do you mean by like Ohm's law?
What do you mean by depends?
Leave this. It's like for confusing you. Leave this if you want.
Wait, so what do you mean by universal? Like,
Universal
Universal
is like
means like it, like it's universal, like it's common.
common?
common in the sense like if I tell what's the meaning of universal, then you can guess the answer. We can give you a hint like it can be depending on a true or like a common thing. Like it can be used in any form of the like it can
Yeah.
be used in any equation like kind of like that.
Siddhant, you were saying the answer literally.
Ah shit.
No,
Fine.
no. Why did you show the answer?
It just by mistakenly clicked it. Okay, leave that. We'll ask you another question.
Okay.
So I had one other question. If there are no options for this, leave this slide. If they are, the question is if there are two registers, uh, one with 2 ohms and one with 3 ohms, and the battery can provide 20 volts of current. So yeah, 20 volts of current. Find the um, like find the what to say like using the formula V equals to IR. The resistance is given like one resistance has 2 ohms and one another resistance has 3 ohms, and the battery can provide 20. So find the
We can't see the question.
it's
Can
not
you
there.
repeat? Can you like
Okay, wait. I'll type it here.
Did you give the value of the current?
Wait, I'll give you wait. Resistance 1 is of 2 ohms and resistance 2 is of let us take 2 ohms, 3 ohms. Battery can provide let us say 3 volts Now find the current.
Okay, team V, current is equals to V by R, voltage by R. So you need to add the resistance 1 and resistance 2, which will get 5. And then the volts is 3. So 3 by 5. Do we need to convert it into decimal?
No need.
Okay, so what did you guys get? I got 3 by 5.
It's in
Sorry,
series.
sorry. I forgot. Like it's voltage by resistance, right? It means it's wait a minute. What did you guys get? Adrit? Anyone else who got the answer? Voltage by resistance. Thumbs up.
I think the time is done.
I think no one got it. I am just finalizing the answer.
What's the answer?
1 minute left.
See, you have to equally participate. If
Ma'am,
nobody is getting the wrong answer, if they are getting wrong answer also, it's fine. But they should tell the answer from their side, right? Same mistake team A did.
Adrit, come, please tell if you got any answer. Even Adrit.
And Divyesh, you joined.
Yeah, 1
late.
minute. Yes, ma'am.
You joined very late.
Ma'am, I joined from before.
You joined from mid. Did you understand the acid base? Whatever we taught today?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, team B.
Ma'am, 20 seconds more.
Adrit, are you getting any answer? No answer. Advika. Ma'am, they're not giving their answers, ma'am. I think they're not getting it.
You tell the answer if it is wrong also.
Ma'am,
It's
done.
I
Ma'am,
think it's
time up.
3 by 5. I don't know.
Ma'am, time up.
Okay. So we are finalizing. It's 3 by 5.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay.
So this is your next question. Team ask anyone ask this question.
Okay, so I think this question should be asked by.
Team A, did they get the last question right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. How does the heat generated in a resistor change with an increase in resistance? No options given.
Because it's
2
directly
minutes for question.
proportional. Because it's directly proportional. And we are not finalized. Adrit and wait, should we give it? Like, should we prove it or should we like?
No need to prove. Just tell the explain. Like, just
Uh,
explain.
Adrit and Advik, I think because they're directly proportional. Heat is equals to I square into R into T. So if you increase R,
Hey, pause it.
Ma'am, you're saying you're helping, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, you're
Yeah,
helping them.
okay, we are not finalized. We are just going. I'm just going to check it once.
30 seconds more.
$20 seconds.
Ten seconds.
I think it is.
So,
I think it decreases.
Yeah, because of the.
It's time up.
I don't know.
time up. No need. Ma'am, the time's up, ma'am. Still they're discussing.
Okay, so yeah, nobody knows the answer from team B.
Ma'am, decreases, ma'am, decreases.
Okay. Yeah,
So
right.
that's all. Yeah, next question. Everybody should participate equally. Team B.
I have to explain this. Okay, so explain how does the resistance of a wire vary with its length. Option A, longer the wire, greater resistance. Option B, shorter wire, greater resistance. C, shorter wire, lesser resistance. None of these. D, none of these.
Time starts now. One minute for this question.
Yes, did you get any answer? I'm thinking it's C. Shorter the wire, lesser the resistance. I think.
You're finalizing?
No, not yet. Guys, quickly. Do you guys think it's C or
I
any?
think it's C.
Yeah, okay. I'm not sure. I'm just actually discussing that. Adrit, do you think it's C? Is it fine? Huh?
20 seconds more.
Okay. So we are going with C. We're finalized.
C?
Yeah, C.
Okay. Sorry, you are wrong.
Uh,
Okay, one
So
question wrong.
what's your
How
score?
many questions are there?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
5
got a
more.
question wrong.
Okay, 1 - 1. Till now, only one question they got wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is, anyone can read this.
I'll read this. Okay. Question number 10. An electric lamp of 100 ohms, a toaster of resistance 50 ohms, a water filter of resistance 500 ohms, a kite parallel to a 220 volt source. What's the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same sources, and that takes as much current as all three appliances, and is the current to what?
Actually, this question we can give you 4 minutes.
Yeah, your time starts.
This will be the final question, and then we can wrap it up. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Team, did you get anything? I'm still calculating.
1 minute.
Guys, we just have 1 minute left.
Respond from Team B. Who are all from Team B?
Yeah, just like I just remembered. Still one minute.
Yeah, Adrit, Advika.
Ma'am?
Yeah, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Guys, I don't know if you guys are getting anything. Are you guys getting anything?
30 seconds.
Yeah, Adrit, what did you get?
Adrit,
Ma'am, actually, I'm not getting.
What did you get? You didn't get any answer? You don't know how to do? What about Advika? Who else there, Sritej, in your team? Ask them. Call
Ma'am,
their name.
ma'am, only Advika, Adrit, Divyesh, but Divyesh is the new, so
No one else from your team.
ma'am, I think I just calculated something and I got I'm not sure. Advika, did you get anything?
No.
Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
what was your answer?
Ma'am, I got 10.
Okay. Sritej?
And the time.
Ma'am, I'm not sure, ma'am. I got something 6,870.
Ma'am,
Okay.
even I'm not sure.
Tell some
Ma'am,
answer.
time is
They'll
up.
find it.
Okay, I am since no one's sure, I am just telling 6,875.
Oh my God.
I didn't understand the iron rod part.
Explain this question to them. Team A. Who asked this question? Gelda, right? Gelda asked this question, right?
Yeah, I asked it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to explain because
Yeah, that was the rule of the game. Everyone should know the explanation of every question in the team. Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll try to explain. Okay, so resistance of an electric amp is 100 ohms. This is a toaster 50 ohms, and resistance of water filter is 500 ohms. Potential difference of a source is 220. These are connected in parallel, as shown in a parallel figure. So we can. So we have so according to Ohm's law, we can use V equal to IR to solve this. So we can just first calculate the current flow into a circuit. So 220 divided by 500 divided by 60.
How did
200
500 by 16?
500 by 16. Okay, 220 by 16 divided by 50 is equal to 7.04 amperes. 7.04 of current is drawn by all the three given appliances. Therefore, current drawn by an electric iron is connected to the same source of potential 220 volts equal to 200 and 700. 7.04 amperes. Let R be a resistance electric iron according to Ohm's law. V equal to IR. R is equal to V divided by R, is also equal to 220 divided by 7.04 equal to 31.25 ohms. Therefore, resistance of the electric iron is 31.25 ohms and current flowing through it is 7.04 amperes.
Just,
I
just
understood. I understood. I made a mistake in the 16 by 100.
fine. We can wrap it up then.
Ma'am, so what's the score till now?
So they got -1 for this question, right?
And like 2 wrong they got till now.
2 wrong. So 30. They got 30 marks.
Okay. So how many questions are left over?
5.
Okay. If they get all the 5 right, then they will win you.
Yeah, ma'am. So like what's the target, ma'am? Actually, I forgot it.
What's the
target for them like to win?
Ma'am, we
But
need
actually, you
45.
got 44. You got 44. Team A got 44 out of 16. So if they beat you, if they get 45, they'll be the winner.
Okay.
Ma'am, it means we need, like, we are at 30 right now, right?
Yeah, 30, yeah.
Ma'am, we need 3 more questions correct.
Yes. Only 3 more, actually. You can do the 3s. I think you can easily win. Team B can easily win now.
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am, what twist they'll do. So maybe they might make a comeback.
Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow. And one more important thing I want to say, after the completion of the quiz, you will have an assignment. So what is that assignment? Basically, Team A will share the question paper to Team B. All the members in Team B will write down the answers. Okay. Team B will share your question paper to Team A. Team A will write all the answers and submit to me. Okay. You can see and write, or you can write as a test. That's your wish. But I need the paper, assignment paper. It's an assignment, not assessment. It's
Okay.
just an
With
assignment.
questions.
They will share you after the quiz. Both of them will share with each other. In the Zoom, you can share the chat itself if possible. Not now, after the quiz completion. Yes?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.